Hello guys, welcome back to another video with Mahnaz. In this video I'm going to talk about how to extract fault trace or fracture using Geomatica. It's very simple, just a few easy steps. This tool is just a helper for identifying fault trace, fracture, but it doesn't mean we should stop looking at images manually, for example, using Google Earth satellite images, NB, QGIS, and other things, even fieldwork. Remember, automatic extraction helps us find possible lineaments, but we always need to check and confirm them by eye. Alright, let's start. Open your file, the picture you wanted. People usually say the best one is B1, band number 1, but trust me, it's not always like that. You can choose the other one and compare them. After that, you can go to Tools, the first option, and here type line. Double click here. This is your image, and here is the parameter. You have to change them a bit based on your image, how much it's big or what you want. Let's see what they are. The first one is filter reduce, make your image smooth. If it's noisy, make the number bigger. The second one is gradient threshold, control how many edges are found. A small number, more lines. Big number, fewer lines. Curve length threshold, remove short, small lines. Line filtering error, control how well the line follows the edge. 3 is usually good. And the next, joins line that go in the same direction. And the last one connects line ends that are close. When everything looks fine, click on Run. So I'm gonna change it a bit. After a few seconds, based on how much your image is big, you will see red lines or maybe blue one on your image. These are your lineaments. That's it, easy and fast. Then you can move them to ArcGIS, QGIS, and make like density, line density, and use them for different type of things. I will show you in the next video. Please like and subscribe my video. Thank you. Bye bye.